Hello today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ETENTOUS electric cleaning brush set. It's an electric cleaning brush set with 8 replacement brush heads. This is an electric spin scrubber, which comes with 3 modes of power. It's a powerful scrubber with 37 up to 140 cm adjustable handle for bathroom, kitchen, car, floor, with 8 replacement brush heads. 3 angle adjustability. It's an electric spin scrubber which cleans nearly everything. This electric cleaning brush features 3 adjustable angles: 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees that will revolutionize our cleaning rituals. This powerful electric spin scrubber brush makes cleaning easier and saves us from bending over or straining. Developed specifically for the people which comes with knee, back, or arthritis problems. It improves our lifestyle and contributes to an even more inviting living atmosphere. 37 at 140 cm electric cleaning brush. The handle extends effortlessly from 14 inches up to 55 inches without the need to bend or kneel. The shorter handle is perfect for carrying in a kitchen surface such as things, stoves, and worktops, and others. A comfortable grip thanks to the anti-slip coating makes cleaning so easy. The longer handle can be used to thoroughly clean the bathroom areas such as bathtubs, tile joints, and showers too. And even hard to reach corners can be cleaned effortlessly. And here comes the big thing: 90 minutes electric cleaning brush possibility. The outside electric cleaning brush joint the cleaner that can continue working for 90 minutes after a single charge. Wow, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge the device. And the waterproof rating has been increased to IPX7 for use and clean in water, not underwater. The avoid touching the electronic components in the back with water. To remove step-borne stains, it is recommended to use it in conjunction with a cleaning product. And we have 3 modes power scrubber here. The electric spin scrubber offers 3 speed settings. Low at 300 RPM for sensitive surfaces. Medium with 400 RPM for daily cleaning. And high, this is around about 500 RPM for step-borne stains. These choices allows us to choose the cleaning method that best suits for our need to effectively deal with the different levels of contaminations, and therefore it saves a lot of time while we have to do our homework. We can use it one button operated. There is one button to switch it on, to go between the speed settings and switch it off. And the other button, which is on this lightsaber designed electric cleaning brush with the model JY7011, is for the angle setup. And then you can start easily because we have different things. This product is mainly used for family, bathroom, kitchen, living room, floor cleaning, furniture, cars, and other places. The product using high-performance lithium battery, 390 strong magnets, 2-speed, equipped with 8 brush heads. According to the different need and convenient replacement, USB charging is easy. Get the energy back for the battery here. Because USB charging means we use an international standard Type-C charging line with 2 hours quick charge is possible. Circuit design has a charge and a discharge protection function. The blocking protection function, low power reminder, charging instructions, 5-section LED power display, the locking function, and the product conforms to the safety certifications and environmental certification standards of all countries on the world. And we have in the set a sponge brush, a cloth brush, a fiber brush, a big brush, a brush head holder, an imitation wood brush, a tip brush, a small brush, a scouring pad, a telescopic rod, a connect head, a main body, the switch button, and control panel, which we can easily see how much power and how much level of power we are, indicator lights, and the ceiling plug. And it's really easy, of course. When the machine power is too low, the indicator light on the control panel starts to flash. We open the ceiling, we plug it to the charging port. We insert the charging plug into a charging hole using the charging cable matched with the product, USB-C, and the indicator light on the switch panel flashes alternately. The charging time of the product is about 2 up to 3 hours. When all the indicator lights are on, it means the power is sufficient. We pull out the charger and install the ceiling plug. And then we can start with a new cleaning session anymore, of course. This is the standard electric spin scrubber. 400 rounds per minute high-speed rotation, 2,600 mAh battery capacity, 90 minutes of working time, and 3 hours of charging time. We can make big floor areas, small floors, edges, and so on. It is always possible to clean something, and it's a great gift choice. It's sort of for gift giving and Thanksgiving Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or New Year, and of course for Christmas. This all is possible with a good cleaning solution at home or on the go, because this is the mobile version of it. It is the ETENTOUS really cool and good looking electric cleaning brush, model JY7T11. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.